All right, let's take a look at an LED light, and we're gonna set this up right above us, right here, right where we're filming this right now. You guys can see I have a lot of shadow, shade, and I just gotta make sure that I clear that out. So I'm gonna do that, set this up. But this one is ready to go. Now you do have a couple options here, right? It does have the dimmers, all right, so we could dim it down, but they have this so you could actually a hanger, or if you guys could see that, and they give you another option in case you're gonna hang it if it's on unstable area. You can always connect this as a safety, so because this is very heavy and for safety purposes you don't want it to be loose. Just make sure you put that extra safety ribbon, and this is gonna hang if it ever falls down, but wherever you set these up, it shouldn't fall. All right, so it is powered by plugged. All right, we're gonna set this up and see how bright it is here right above me. That's where we're gonna set this up. But I actually need extra lighting out here. I have 2 of these, 3 with this one, so let's put it together and see how beautiful it works. I just wanted to see how bright this thing is. Super bright, and I'm gonna show you my shop. I actually work back here at night, and I need something overhead because I'm always filming here. This is where I film a lot of my products, all right? And I need this. I don't need shadows. This is perfect. I'm gonna disconnect this so you can see how dark it gets. You're just gonna see that, all right? Which is my fish tank. I keep it out here with me, all right? So I'm gonna disconnect this so you can see how bright it is. Look at that. Super bright. If I can find it, there you go. Found the connection. That's all I wanted to show you guys how bright it is. This thing is really bright. I like it. I actually hung it up. I actually tied it down, and then I'm gonna zip tie the actual cables, so it could be another security by zip tying it. And I do have a couple of them, 1, 2, and 3 with this one. So we're gonna have this entire area that I work back here. This is my little shop, my little studio. I work on a couple of things here. I paint a lot. I do a lot of videotaping of hardware and stuff like that. I have my tools with me here. I work every night really late. I work with these things on, and then my dog's back here or in the front. They're always guarding me, but this is great just to have it out here ready for me to film. So hope you guys enjoy the video, and it's just a plug and play. That's pretty much it.